With just a few clicks, you can transform a simple presentation into an engaging, interactive learning experience with Edpuzzle slides. Whether you copy an existing slide deck from another user or an Edpuzzle original, or create your own, it's easy to customize slides to support your students' learning. Let's explore how to create and customize slides with embedded questions. Start by uploading slides to Edpuzzle. You can import a slide deck directly from Google Drive or upload a PDF. Next, select which slides you would like to use. Then click the Import button. Your slides are instantly imported. You can always add more slides and insert slides from different presentations to build a unique Edpuzzle slides activity that fits your lesson perfectly. Now, let's make it interactive by adding questions. Click Add and select a question type. Multiple choice questions are graded automatically and provide immediate feedback to students. Open-ended questions allow students to type their own response. To give students the option to record their answer, you can allow audio responses. Both question types keep students engaged while providing opportunities to assess their understanding. Consider adjusting the time limit for each question. Some questions may require more or less time for students to read, process, and answer. If you prefer, you can turn off the time limit altogether. Want to make a game of it? You can also award points for answers that are speedy and correct, turning any slide deck into a game and sparking some friendly competition. Use the leaderboard to give students an incentive to stay engaged and respond promptly. Or turn off the leaderboard points for an open response question where you want students to take their time crafting a thoughtful response. Once you have your slide deck in order and your questions customized, it's time to assign your slides. It's that easy. When assigning slides, you still have the option to adjust the settings based on how you plan to use them. For example, turn on the time limit for slides used during live mode to help with pacing and to keep up momentum in the classroom. To build excitement and student engagement during review, turn on the leaderboard. Whether you're presenting slides in live mode or using them as an independent learning activity, everything is customizable to your classroom, your teaching style, and your students' needs.